In today's interconnected world, intellectual property rights are crucial for businesses and creators alike. They form the backbone of innovation, safeguarding the ideas and creations that are products of unique minds. Intellectual property rights provide a legal framework that prevents the unauthorized use of products, services, or inventions. It ensures that entrepreneurs, artists, and inventors are duly rewarded for their efforts and creativity. The importance of intellectual property rights goes beyond just protecting individual ideas. They fuel the growth of industries, nurturing an environment where creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship can thrive. In essence, they serve as a catalyst for economic development, encouraging investment and promoting fair competition in the marketplace. But what happens when these rights are not robustly protected? Perhaps the concept of intellectual property is not strongly enforced, or the laws are not strictly implemented. This is where the danger lies. Weak intellectual property, or IP, rights environments can pose significant challenges. They can stifle innovation, hamper economic growth, and ultimately undermine the value that creativity brings to our society. In countries or regions where IP laws are lax or enforcement is poor, creators and businesses often face daunting challenges to protect their innovations and creative works. This lack of stringent legal protection can result in numerous difficulties. These weak intellectual property, IP rights environments not only pose threats, they also create an atmosphere of uncertainty and risk. These risks often manifest in the form of unauthorized copying, also known as piracy, which can significantly damage the financial stability of a business. This type of unauthorized duplication can lead to a drastic loss of revenue, thus shaking the very foundations of your enterprise. The situation can be illustrated as having poured your heart and soul into a project, putting in countless hours of hard work and dedication, only to watch it be replicated by someone without any legal consequences. For businesses, it's almost akin to embarking on a never-ending journey, a ceaseless battle to safeguard their proprietary products and innovative ideas. It's like having to constantly stand guard to protect their hard-earned achievements from being stolen or exploited. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a project only to watch it be replicated without consequence. For businesses, it means fighting a constant battle to safeguard their products and ideas. So, how do you navigate these choppy waters? In this ever-fluctuating landscape, to adapt and evolve your strategy is crucial. To start, arm yourself with comprehensive knowledge. It's imperative to fully comprehend the local laws, rules, and regulations around intellectual property. This means you must also make yourself familiar with the processes, systems, and potential loopholes linked to these laws. Venture further by exploring alternative protection methods for your intellectual property. This could encompass a vast array from patents, trademarks to copyrights, and even trade secrets. Each method provides a unique layer of protection, and understanding its application can be a game changer. Lastly, vigilance about enforcement is a necessity. Keep a keen eye on potential infringements and do not hesitate to take swift, decisive action when required. Monitoring and consistent enforcement can aid greatly in preventing any infringement. Remember, in this game of chess, you have to stay one step ahead. Creative solutions are often necessary. This could mean modifying your business model, focusing on brand building, or using technology to track and protect your intellectual property. There are different ways to navigate this challenge. For instance, altering your current business model can be done in numerous ways. One approach could involve licensing or franchising, wherein you allow others to use your intellectual property in exchange for royalties or fees. This can reduce the chances of unauthorized use of your property and also generate additional revenue. Another route is to concentrate on brand building. This strategy focuses on creating a strong and identifiable image for your product or service. When a brand has a staunch reputation, it deters counterfeiters' due loyalty and preference for the original product. This makes counterfeiting less enticing and more likely to fail in the market. Turning to technology is also a viable option. Advanced technologies can provide innovative ways to safeguard and track your intellectual properties. Tools like digital watermarking can embed invisible codes into your property that can be tracked and traced. In addition, blockchain technology provides a secure and unalterable record of all transactions involving your property. effectively deterring unauthorized use. Innovation is key when it comes to protecting your intellectual assets in a weak IP environment. While challenging, operating in environments with weak IP rights is not impossible. With the right approach and tools, you can still protect your intellectual assets and thrive. This process is not an easy one, but with patience, diligence, and a proactive mindset, you can navigate through even the most challenging environments to ensure the safety of your intellectual property. Intellectual property rights are an integral part of business operations and should be approached strategically. It's all about adaptation and innovation. Continuously evolving your strategies is not just necessary, it's a means of survival in the competitive market. Creativity goes hand in hand with this adaptive process. It's about thinking outside the box and developing unique solutions to overcome the hurdles that stand in your way. Vigilance is of utmost importance in weak IP rights environments. This means being aware of the latest changes in laws, regulations, and industry practices. It means being proactive, taking preventive measures to ward off potential threats. The key here is to stay informed. Stay abreast with current news, updates and changes in legislation that could affect your intellectual property rights. Staying protected is more than just a defensive strategy. It's about turning the tables and transforming these challenges into opportunities. By staying informed and protected, you can explore these opportunities, leverage your intellectual property, and strengthen your business positioning. Remember, adapt your strategies, be creative, and stay vigilant in weak IP rights environments. Stay informed, stay protected, and turn challenges into opportunities.